Here's my iMac 2011. It's running really slow, so I need to upgrade the memory. The memory access is located at the bottom of the computer. It's right there. I had this thing loose already, so all I have to do is remove it. And it's kind of dirty, so I'm going to vacuum it to get the dirt out of there. It looks a lot better now. So I'm going to pull this tab here so you could put the new one in. Here's another one. And here's another one. I have a 4 gig of RAM in there installed. This came from the factory, but I purchased this 8 times 2, which is a total of 16 from Crucial. So I'm going to install this too to make it 20. But the manufacturer is recommending only 16, but I'll give it a try. So I'm going to have a total of 20 altogether. Just in case. I'm gonna wear a glove so I can prevent static electricity from ruining my RAM. I'm gonna install this here. It should just fit right in. That went too out. Back in there. Snap it. There's another one. Snap into place. Insert this. Okay. And the next one. In there. Slide this one back in there. Put this cover back on. We'll be back in a second. And that should be it. And to verify the RAM that I installed, just go to about this Mac and the memory, and there it is. 8 gig of RAMs are installed for a total of 20 gig. So everything works fine.